Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a content warning on X, or better known as Twitter. Alright, so we are on Twitter, or now known as X. On the top left hand side, go to your profile picture. You will see a bunch of things. All the way down at the bottom, you'll see settings and privacy. Now, within settings and privacy, you're going to go down and look for your privacy and safety, which is right over here. And here, under privacy and safety, you're going to go and look for content you see. Now, let's go ahead and tap on content you see. Now, within here, you will find a little area that looks like this. If it is a relatively new account, so if you haven't got a lot of history, search history, browse history, but if you do, you'll see it says over here, decide what you will see on X based on your preferences, your likes, and your interests. Now, you will also see something like explore settings, search settings, and sensitive media. If you do see sensitive media over here, you will go into sensitive media and you will have a menu that will give you some options. So there is graphic violence, adult content, and other. You need to go ahead into each one of those and just set them, okay? So you can set them to different degrees. So it'll be warn, so you'll get a warning, you'll get show all, and then never show this. These three options. Go ahead and choose this for all of the options, and then go back to your homepage, refresh your homepage, or close your app, open it up again, and those changes will now take effect.